What's happening, everyone? We are back at it again. Today we are on a mission up to Sherman Oaks. We're going to look at an investment property with a good friend of mine. His name is Alex Thomas. He's one of the voices for the Family Guy. Really cool stand-up comic. He's had a long career. You know, has worked with Snoop and Dr. Dre and a bunch of the greats. So I'm super excited to go up here and help him find some investment properties. I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Dane Carter. What's up, man?
What's up, my man?
How you feel?
Good,
You
as always.
Hey, man, let's do this. Hey, for the people that don't know, this is Andy Dane Carter. He's actually my real estate guy. He is a cash flow extraordinaire. He is an investment property extraordinaire. We have a lot of property all over this city. This particular spot that we're looking at right now is here in Sherman Oaks, and a lot of people don't know, man, there's a lot of money in real estate. You want to, secure your future and make sure that you invest in property. And that's what I do. A lot of people had no clue. They must have thought it was just jokes, comedy, and TV, but no.
And real estate empire.
Come on, my real estate empire. My portfolio is building,
It's
messing
growing.
around with you, man.
That's how we do.
So what we got here, man? Okay, this is nice.
Right?
All right. Well, let me ask you, how many rooms is this?
This is 3-bedroom, 3-bath.
Okay, 3-bedroom, 3-bath.
Original hardwood floors.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed this is right at the corner too. It's like but this is a very quiet neighborhood over here.
Beautiful tree-lined streets,
Right.
super quiet.
Right. White family lived in here. I can tell.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Like a Leave It to Beaver house.
This is, like your nice little dining room.
Little breakfast nook area.
Like that right there is an original built-in from the 50s.
Yeah. The basic structure is kind of old school, but with a brand new 2018 new millennium type of interior decorating. Like, this is great.
100%.
It's already furnished like this?
It's everything is open, and the furniture can come with the property, which is key for what we're trying to do. We're trying to buy investment properties. You can rent them out.
Yeah.
You make cash flow every single month.
That's what I do.
Right? And then, that's it.
Yeah. You know what's a beautiful thing about this, especially all the properties that we have? That just kind of, it funds our lifestyle.
Pays
You know what I mean?
all the other mortgages we have.
I mean, I'm an entertainer first,
Right.
but I'm also a businessman.
You know this is a Dutch door, right?
A Dutch door.
A Dutch door.
Okay, Andy, I know you're the man, and you were in real estate way before me. But how the hell you know this is a Dutch door versus an African door versus a Mexican door versus a damn door that just opens with 4 windows in it? How do you know that?
Because the Dutch cut them in half so the kids don't crawl out.
Boom!
This is going to rent for a lot. This is a really cool zone, barbecue, entertaining.
I watch them swimming and stuff like that, so yeah.
And you can build a back house here.
I like this backyard layout, man. This is really nice.
Again, a big reason why I picked this particular property. It's got tons of character on the inside, indoor, kind of outdoor, but you have the California lifestyle right here.
Hey, even though we're in Sherman Oaks, which is a beautiful prime real estate area,
100.
I'm feeling Miami back here right now. The orange tree. Okay, come on now, come on. You got an orange tree in your backyard, like a live one. Not some old oranges. You can make mimosas. You can do your fresh orange juice in the morning. Just walk outside. You don't even have to go to Ralph's. Wait a second. Is that a new roof?
New roof.
Oh, big time.
New roof. It's only 2 years old.
Yeah.
And it's got I think it has a 20-year warranty. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. It kind of has a cool design to it.
Okay.
Brand new windows, by the way, throughout the whole house. Everything is double pane.
Oh, that's important too.
And you got a walk-in closet. This would be a really cool, either 3rd bedroom.
Maybe an office.
Maybe an office. That's kind of what I was thinking too.
Because it's kind of a weird shape, but it's a cool shape. Could you not first?
Nope.
Jesus. Well, then again, this is glass. I guess you can see it.
So this is the master.
Okay.
This is just off the front side of the house.
Right.
It still has a really, cool kind of style and character. The way that the room is just kind of laid out.
I like when homes have character.
And it's got the double sink.
Another deep shower.
Big giant shower. This is maybe 9, 10, maybe even 12 G's or more to rent every single month.
Yeah.
And my favorite's cash flow.
Come on, man. Cash flow is king.
So if we can get this thing rented even for even for 9 or 10,
Yeah.
we're going to be splitting $3,000 to $4,000 a month after mortgage, after taxes and expenses, and that's what we like to do.
Come on, man. That should be one of our new hashtags. Chop it up.
Chop it up.
Let's chop it up, Andy.
What do you think?
Looks like a cash cow to me, Andy.
That's how we do. And here's the thing too, I can probably get us 40 to 50,000 off of the purchase price right now as soon as we open escrow.
You're really good at that because the last 3 properties that we went in on, you were able to do that same thing. I'm not going to tell them how many properties we have together already, but what I do think is this is a cash cow, and you need to write this up. And like DJ Khaled said, another one.
All about the money like baby. Grew up with the wolves like KG. Shit going south, I rap a lot. Ayy, word to J Prince. This watch gorilla, ayy, I'm feeling like I'm caged in. Keep it up like you don't know me. Check my proof, I've been doing